So yeah, it's Jebb Adams. I'm back again, and this stuff is, we've just pulled it out of the, oh, we got one more screw in there. Do I have any more in there? I don't think so. Do I have any in the crud cutter? No, I don't see or feel anything in there. Do I have anything in the soapy water? No, I don't feel anything in there. So we'll move them back out of the way for now because we don't need them immediately. And I'm going to dry my hand before I turn on the hair dryer. And not to worry because I'll edit out the hair drying. But I do have to get these things dry. They'll flash rust otherwise. We'll give that a rest. And how are we doing for time? We got just over 4 minutes in. Where's my coffee? Cheers. But anyway, with this job, this is coming good. So now I'm going to get the oil really quickly. And I'm going to, you always have to shake the oil each time you use it. And I'm going to get that around. And then I'm going to put some oil there. In the other side, on the back, in where that spring goes. I'm really going to soak it in oil. And then this guy here, you know what, I've got a pair of forceps here. And I'll just, you know what, the forceps are okay, but nothing wrong with using my, there, that's the crud cutter there. That's what used to be the clean crud cutter. How did that do? Still grungy down there. Where's that little brush? There's that little brush right there. Then we'll get some soap. Oopsie daisy. You know, we'll spoil the heck out of it like we did for the others. Then a little bit of clear water. Then dry it on the towel. You know what I mean. And really dry it on the towel. And give it just a little bit of a hair dry. Good, good. And then we'll get some oil on it. And that is as far as I'm going to go with this piece. It's in good shape. It does have a little, let me get a Q-tip, a cotton swab. So there's a bit of discoloration that came off, but not much. That is not going to impede or make its job difficult. So we'll, could never have too much oil. Notice how I shook that before I used it? And then that goes in there. That goes in there, doesn't it? You betcha. Look at that. All those threads got nicely oiled now. So I'll just leave that like that. Get that nice and oily. Get them all oily. We got 6 minutes left of the glamour and the glory. This baby here, this piece here, is the spring that goes on there. It goes on there. And there's a couple of little screws right there. So I don't know who that belongs to, but you know what? I'm going to put those back in there, and I'm just going to quickly get the crud cutter, because I'm going to have to clean it anyway. And it's not a lot of stuff, it's just this one, and it's coming nice and clean. Isn't that sweet? Girls and boys, boys and girls of all ages, everywhere. Ah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. There's still a little bit of grunge there. But you know, I'm going to put it back in the dish and wait till I match it up with whichever machine. Then we'll get the soap. Yeah, we'll get some more soap. Then we'll put in the soapy water. Then we'll rinse it. Then we'll shop towel, dry off the excess water. And then we'll get the Conair high temperature, low blow. And this blow dry prevents flash rust. Because it really gets rid of any residual moisture. And then just like everything else, shake the oil, shake it up, and then douse it in oil. Get it on my fingers and, you know, rub it in. So there's that. That got oil. I'm going to wipe that one down right now. Finish up with it and put it back in the metal tray because it doesn't belong here. And then this one, we're going to rotate that again. Okay, there's my 2-minute warning. So I'm going to stop there for now, girls and boys, ladies and gents. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. And, you know, the support ends up here. And thanks again. Stay safe. Be happy. Follow your passions. And come on back. Ciao for now.